It's the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, the third in a row of Buldak. Today, so I did a cooking one. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do a mukbang of it, but I decided, you know, why not? Friday, it's time for tomato pasta. So let's get to it. Blah, blah, blah. Hope everyone's having a smashingly good day. Again, as I have mentioned in the last couple of these, I am not going to try any of this during this episode because I am going to do that on the mukbang. And personally, I don't understand why people are getting weird about how I pronounce it. Mukbang. Use. A's. It wasn't Gangnam Style. Ah. Oh. Oh. Those are the vowel sounds of Asia, ladies and gentlemen. 5 minutes on the cook. We've got kind of like a cheese powder thing. And then we have the lavish, luxuriant tomato pasta base. Yeah. And I don't, like I said, I'm not gonna like scarf that back in this video. If you want to see me do that, go and head on over to the playlist, Spicy Noodle Mukbang or whatever it is. And in there you'll see a video, same day as this video comes out, of me doing the tomato pasta, and a slew of other stuff will be in there. A lot of mukbang. As I mentioned, if you haven't been following along daily, which you really should, you should subscribe, hit the bell and all that, or, you know, what's the point of living? But if you haven't, yesterday I did the challenge Buldak, which is 12,000 Scoville heat unit. The day before I did the 3x spicy, which I don't have official word, but considering the original is now 4,400 Scoville heat unit, 3 times that is 13,200. So, but I do have this. This is their Buldak 2x spicy. They sent me this a while back, and I wasn't sure how I was going to work it into things, and I think this is it. So basically, Buldak is kind of like this tubular snack, yo. And they look like this. Totally tubular, man. They're tubular. They're sweet and spicy. Wow. Yeah, that's got a kick to it. Let's try another one. Yeah. These are the kind of thing you can sit there and mow them down, like, ooh, those are kind of hot. And then you stop, and then it's like, boom. It all gets you all at once. They're good. So yeah, if you see these around, give them a try. If you like to really feel that burn, because that'll do the do for you. You can sit there and eat them anywhere. Eat them like potato chips, you know. What else is going on? So I've been tasked with setting up the celebration of life for my mom. She passed on the 30th of June. And so, yeah. Got on a phone, talked to the state office on questions about COVID. It's kind of weird. So, if it wasn't like a funeral slash memorial or a wedding, so it could be a wedding or a funeral, you can have up to 100 people socially distanced outside for that event. Alright? If it's not, 5. It's like, I don't know. I think that's just to keep people from getting mad about the whole thing, but I was asking the guy on the phone, so is it kind of like not recommended to do that? And he's like, no, it's okay. The governor said it's okay. I'm like, okay, well then why? I don't know. It just seems like, man, that is hot. It just seems kind of weird. Alright, so here's why I don't use this thing as a, this is why I use the 360 cam. You can't see anything, all you can see is my mug. And the problem is this is on the my phone. So, yeah, it's kind of a pain, but the 360 cam doesn't want to, I don't know, it's being a pain in the butt, so it's charging right now. Very unhappy with said 360 cam, but this will work for now, I guess. I'll have to. But we're draining. This one you don't add the extra 8 spoons of water to. And I don't know how we're gonna do Rotato, and that's a shame because Rotato, I don't know, we'll give it a try. I might be able to finagle some magic. Okay, Rotato's crying right now. I know some people might be new to this and have no idea what the hell I'm talking about. Rotato is my magical rotating platform that I put noodles on that spins around. Why do I do this? Why wouldn't I do that? Why wouldn't anybody want to have their noodles rotating on a small platform, usually used for jewelry? You can't come up with a good answer why I wouldn't do that, can you? Or why you wouldn't do that. I mean, you gotta do it. This is gonna be a fun mukbang because this is not anywhere near as spicy as the stuff that I've been slurping down this week. And it's really tasty too, especially when you add in the you sprinkle the little bits of the cheese stuff on top. It's good. Look at that. All right, so let's make it so. Okay, you totally can't see that. So let's see, how am I gonna work this super magic? Okay. Let me look here real quick. It's that one. Okay, so we're gonna go like, oh, no, we're not gonna do that. The whole thing will fall over. So we're gonna loosen this. Trying to bring it. God. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why I use the 360 cam, okay? Because the 360 cam will get the entire shot, but this thing, oh, forget about it. Forget about it. Why are you doing that? Why are you? Well, this ain't gonna work for crap. What's up with you, 360 cam, sitting over there all smug? That's what it's doing too. It's like mean mugging me. And it's off, and it's mean mugging me. So like, what did I ever do to you, man? It's like, I don't know. Your battery didn't charge? Is that something to do with it? This is like, it's Friday. It's Fun Friday. That's what I tell the kids every Friday. You know what happens on Fun Friday? Not fun. Always try to make it be fun on Fun Friday. I really try. Ladies and gentlemen, I try my damnedest to make it fun on Fun Friday. But usually something just happens that makes it unfun. And that happened this morning. I won't discuss what it was, but boy, talk about unfun. So, yeah. Yeah, there's no way to zoom out, and the only way I can see myself is by using the front-facing camera. So, I'm not going to stand... I mean, the back of the stove is like right there, so there's really nothing I can do about that. Hey. And because 360 camera decided to be a pain in the butt, basically I got to do all this video editing now just for this video. Well, I just got to join it, but it's more than I planned on doing and less than I wanted to do. No, more than I wanted to do because I had less to do before. Do a little bit of snow. A little bit of snow on top of your noodles today. Yeah. Or my noodles. I'm gonna eat all this. It's like I picked like the worst time to start doing mukbang again because I like after my mom died, it was kind of like I decided to say screw it to the diet for a week or two. I ended up, oh boy, that was a bad idea. Didn't treat me well. Let me say that. Let's see how this thing's doing. So here's how you've been looking at, or this is how the early part of the episode was done. There's my daughter Mimi. Say hi, Mimi. Yeah. And if we do this, can we? Yeah, this is when I lift it too much higher. I might be able to get just a little hair more. But the further out it goes, God, why doesn't? Oh, it's because of the. That's the problem too. It's like the bowl's way over here, or the plate's way over here, and then the camera has to be way over here, just due to the fact that it's where the front-facing camera is placed on the phone. It's like really messing with me. But let's do Rotato really quick. Here we go. Wait a second. Hold on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I really don't like this setup at all. But it's working for, whoa, stupid thing. Now it's drifting? Why is it drifting? I just don't understand, ladies and gentlemen. I just don't understand. Nor do I want to. All I can say is this. It works great for Zoom meetings, usually. But, yeah, there we go. Let's have a Zoom meeting, ladies and gentlemen. Let's not. Alright, well, really quick, I'll show you what I've been using forever. Here is the cam, and this is the tripod. Come on, turn off. You're off, right? Here's my frustrated face. And yeah, it just kind of has like a little scissor thing. The one I used to have would go back and forth, front and back, because it was on a little U-joint. This new one just goes forwards and backwards and has a clamp. It's perfect. The last one, the little plastic screw-in thing cracked. This one's metal, and it'll just like, really doesn't matter. Oh, is it metal? I don't know. I can't really tell, but it should work okay. But yeah, new little doodly-wag. Let me see if I can move it upward. Yeah, there it is. And it's charging, so hopefully it'll be happy, but that's smooth. Unfortunately, it's rotating in an incorrect direction. But yeah, so that's about it for now. It's been Instant Noodle Recipe Time with your host, Hans, the Ramen Raider. It's a Friday. It's going to be a beautiful day. Try to figure stuff out this weekend. Hope it happens. Yeah. Alright. The next stop is a mukbang. And, yeah. Woo! Mukbang, baby! Mukbang! Alright. Have a good one. Bye-bye.